Good morning, everybody. Welcome to today's session. Wow. Ooh, it's the NFP. Finally, the NFP is here. This webinar is brought to you by Anzo Capital Kenya, which is an international financial trading company. We offer you competitive conditions across multiple global markets. Now, with us, you can be able to trade all the way from stocks, you can be able to trade from currencies, ETFs, indices, all of those you're able. Not to mention the metals that you can be able to trade, like gold, platinum, and copper as well. We have them available in our platform. You can be able to trade them. And we also have a very special one, which is gold versus the Chinese yuan, which is measured in grams. It's not in ounces as the XAUSD, but this one is in grams. So we have all of these, and what you have to want to trade, we have them available. You can trade oil. We have Brent and the UK as in the UK oil, the UK oil and the US oil as well. WTI and Brent available, and many more coming. Anything that you would like us to, I don't know, on our platform, you can just tell us what you want to trade, and we'll be able to see if it can be added onto the platform. Right now, that being said, Anzo Capital Kenya is the place to be. It's the place to open an account. You should jump onto the trades right now. Jump onto the website right now, www.anzocapital.ke. Open an account over there. Get ready, because we're gonna be having some great and amazing gifts that are coming out all through this session. All right. So we're gonna be doing this a 1 hour session. It's an NFP live trading. I'm your host, Nick, and I'm gonna be taking you through it. We're gonna be analyzing the market. We're gonna look on the technical outlook, checking on the fundamental outlook of the market, and we're gonna be checking as well on what we understand by the word NFP. What is it all about, and how do you approach the market when there's a high volatility news? Because remember, NFP is one of the greatest, of the largest financial news that comes in. All right, it comes in with a lot of volatility, affects the dollar, and once it affects the dollar, it affects other currencies as well. So we're going to be tackling all of these things just to understand when the results comes in like this, how does it affect the dollar, and once it affects the dollar, how does it affect other correlating pairs like the gold, the euro, the GBP, all of that. All right, so we're going to be checking on all of that. Buckle up, we're about to get started. We are taking a flight right now, and let's enjoy the show. All right, we're gonna make it as much interactive as possible. So please be there, ask as many questions as possible. We're gonna be answering them as well. So for the first, the news is coming out at 3:30. Yeah? This first 24 minutes that we have, we're gonna be doing breakdown on Euro USD, breakdown on gold. If you have any other pair that you want us to tackle, maybe one or two other pairs I can take, we can do a breakdown on them as well, technically, and then see how the market is gonna be. And then we wait for the news. Once the news hit, we're gonna do a review on what we did and how the news came out and what really made it come the way it's gonna be coming out. Because again, you cannot know how the news is come out. It will come out until the time for the news comes out, right? So once the news is released, the data is released, we're gonna be seeing the live effect on the market as it happens, and we're gonna be seeing what we can do, or if we can maximize on that opportunities in the market, right? So right now, what we're gonna do is get into the charts, check on the fundamentals, and get to breakdown. Now, if you look at what we have on the chart over here right now, whatever is happening, whatever you see on the screen right now over here, this is what we did in the morning. In the morning, we did a pre-brief. You can check the market brief in the morning. We were looking for buys above this point and sells below this point. So the sales didn't really happen, but the buys, very nice buys. Had this candle close above this point, entries were at this point, and already anybody that took this trade is already in profit and already closed the order. So don't be missing the market brief in the morning. They happen every day, 10 a.m., brought to you by Anzo Capital Kenya, right? So do not miss those live sessions. We're gonna be having them every day. And just to mention, we also have a lot of other stuff coming in. And to keep you, of course, just to brief you on what we expect in this session. Again, we're gonna be giving out some $20 credit. It's a tradable credit. It's not withdrawable. It's tradable. All right. So you can use it to trade. It helps you to increase your margin. Definitely, you trade and you can withdraw profit from that point. All right. Once you make the profits. So it's a tradable credit of $20, which will be added in your trade just for attending. Imagine, just for attending the session. And all you need to do is to have a live account. All right. So you can jump really quick on the Anzo Capital channel website. open an account over there, and then get it verified really quick. All right, I'm sure the back office guys are ready, waiting for you to get it verified. It's going to be verified within a second over there. As we finish this session, it's going to be verified. And if you stick until the end of the webinar, I'm going to be giving you a special code, and this special code, you're going to be using it to call back to Anzo Capital, the CS, the customer service, and tell them they will be asking you that code. Once you give them the correct code, you're going to be credited. If you give a wrong code, then it means you didn't stay until the end, so you won't get the code, right? So here we are. Okay, so I'm your host over here. Did I say my name? Yes, I said my name. All right, let's go. It's gonna be a fun moment. All right, have fun. Remember, let's have fun. Let's check in together. Ooh, all right. There's a lot of requests coming in over here. Okay, let's get it. All right. Let's go. All right, good. Very quick. You can jump into our Telegram channel. Follow Telegram channel, which is Anzo Capital KE. Anzo Capital Kenya. Go to Telegram, just search Anzo Capital Anzo Capital Kenya, and you're gonna be joining this session over there. It's a very nice channel. We usually share a lot of trade information over there, by the way. Don't miss all of this information. There's free information over there that comes in each and every moment, each and every day. You know what I'm doing right now? I'm actually making your work easier. I'm sending you the link over here. All right. And I'm going to write it Telegram. All right. There we go. Poof. It's in. Okay. So you're going to be getting into Telegram. There we go. That's a Telegram channel over here. Click on that link over there. Join our Telegram channel and let's do things together. All right. Good. So now what I want to do is jump straight to the market. You know what? I'm going to remove this one. All right. Let me put it over there. Let's get busy. All right. So it's game time. So we're going to start. I'm looking at the charts over here. How can I join? How can you join what? The Telegram channel? I've sent the link over there. Your prediction on gold, we're getting there. Let's do the analysis together, and then we see if we can see the same prediction, all of us. All right, we're here together. Gold. Oh, everybody's on gold, man. Gold. Okay, good. This is gold on this chart over here. All right, the morning people, when the Mzungu say the early bird catches the worm, I think what they meant is basically what happened today. The people that were there in the morning made some very good profit over here out of this market. So the guys that were there, they joined in the morning, made some very good profit out of here. All right. So let's see. Let's check it. So I'm gonna be looking what I want to check right now. Okay, there we go. All right, so we're gonna do a breakdown on this gold that is over here. Do a full complete breakdown on gold and check where the market is headed and what we expect in this market. After that, we're gonna be, allow me to put this one over here, and you guys let me know if you can hear me. Yeah, all right, can you still hear me? You don't need to hold this mic the whole time, so that you can have two hands to work the magic out of here, to work the magic over here. All right. All right, so we're gonna jump first of all, check on the news itself. It's over here. All right, so today's on the 7th. This is very important. I'm showing you how you read the news. All right, so you usually go to the day over here. This is Forex Factory. You check on the day, on the date itself. Make sure the date is correct. Today is on the 7th. Yes, it's the 7th. Make sure the time is also correct as well. If the time over here is not correct, just make sure you synchronize it to your local time that is over there. All right, so make sure the time that is over there is syncing with the time that we have right now, right? So it's around 5:13 right now, right? The news is coming. The one that's coming next is has this green arrow over here at 3:30, and that's gonna be these five orders that are these five that are coming in over here. All right. So there's an employment change, unemployment rates, average hourly earnings, non-farm employment change, and unemployment rates. So these are for the Canadian dollar. These are for the USD. They're coming in at 3:30 in the next 15 minutes, and we're going to be doing this analysis really quick because I see everybody here wants gold to be done. So we're going to focus on gold because I love gold as well. So let's focus on gold. Let's have our trading platforms ready and our trading accounts ready. Let's get it. All right. Good. All right. Okay, let's get to it. So when you look at the fundamental itself, when you look at the what's happening on the chart or over here, is this is the major news over here, the numbers that are coming out. So what we want to know is something that you should know is previously the number was 57K, which is the change of number of employed people during a previous month. So we're looking at the July numbers that are coming out. Yeah. So the numbers of people that were employed during the previous month, which is June now, was 57K. Now, July, we are focusing it to be 85K, but we could get it now. We're gonna need to see what's happening in July, right? So the focus is 85K, which is gonna be a good number as compared to previous number. Okay, so if we have a number way above 85K, then it's gonna be a positive thing for the dollar, and the dollar is gonna be pushing up. Okay, so it's going to be gaining momentum and gaining strength, and it's going to be going up, and that's going to make Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD to push down. All right, so should we have a weak number over here, let's say we have a number below 85K going all the way down, even way below 57K, that's going to be really bad for the dollar, and the dollar is going to be dropping like nonsense, and gold is going to be going up, and Euro USD is going to be going up, and all that stuff. So those are the things that you need to know before you even get into any trade right now, because that's how we read the news. Basically, that's how you read the news, that's how you understand what's happening, and that's how basically you stay ahead of what's about to happen, right? So what we're going to be doing right now is checking on probabilities when looking on technical. I know the news is majorly fundamental, it's going to be majorly fundamental, but we're going to be looking at the probabilities as we look into technicals to see how technical may feature in the fundamental effect that is coming in, because again you need both of them to understand. You need to at least an awareness of or being aware on what the structures of the market is forming, because most of the time fundamentals come in to fill in the structures, right? They come in and they fill in the structure, and if you're aware of course of the structure, then it gives you a step ahead of others. You stay ahead of the others. All right, so I'm setting up the chart over here because we need to get to technicals to have a breakdown. Now, did everybody understand what NFP is all about, and what's the fuss all about NFP? Every trader in the market, if you are a good trader, you know NFP, you're aware of NFP, and you know how impactful it is. All right, let's get there. Boom, 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 boom. So what I want to do right now is to go to the technical, to the chart, so at least everybody now understands if this comes this one, it's gonna go this way. If this comes this way, and it's pushing down. You see, do you know the reason why it's pushing down? This is called pre-NFP pressures. This is the pre-NFP pressures pushing down. That's the reason why it's pushing down like that. All right, we are live. People are asking for the link. We are live on NFP. Sorry, guys. Yeah, I need to send them the links. All right. Keep your questions coming. Keep your suggestions coming. Keep your biases coming as well. So right now, do a full breakdown. I'm going to remove everything. Assume we didn't do anything. Congratulations to everybody that was there in the morning for the morning brief, because we already made profits over there. So now we're going to be checking on what possibly we could find. So what we're going to be using is a very simple strategy called price action based on market structure. We're going to be observing, you can place trades if you want, I mean, mine is just to do the breakdown. You is to decide if you're going to be jumping in or out. I mean, it's up to you. It's your account at the end of the day. All right, good. We gonna use price action based on market structure. So basically what we're gonna be looking at is areas of resistance and support and places where we can have possible breakout trades, and those breakout trades will be where we're gonna be executing the news itself, the news that is coming out, right? The NFP, the reports. Remember, the reports are being read in the next 11 minutes, so we're gonna get down to it. And I see someone else requesting for Euro USD. All right, so we're going to be doing Euro USD as well. I see on the other screen someone else is asking for gold. All right, gold, we good. All right, okay, there we go. I'm seeing sales. Oh, sales, you mean sales, not sales. Okay. All right, so this is a monthly high, this is a monthly low. Look at how we're breaking it down. Multi-time frame because I want to cover every type of traders. I want to cover the position trader, the swing traders, the day traders, and probably the scalpers if they are in here. Myself, I'm a day trader, so yes, let's get it. So that's monthly high, monthly low. We come down to weekly. We're gonna look at the area where the weekly market could be having some rejections over there. So here, looking at this way, this has been the weekly resistance for a while, for over 6 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These 6 weeks. So for the last 6 weeks, this has been the monthly high, the weekly high. So now this week is just broken. We just broken here this week, and today's on a Friday. So if this candle closes above this point, then it means it's a broken area. So we're gonna need to identify another next level of resistance above. Remember how we say it, support and resistance acts like roof and a floor, right? So this is the daily chart over here. Daily chart. Onto the daily chart, this puts it very well. You see, these highs over here gotten broken very well, and this is what we call a legit break above, the body closes above, the next candle over here comes in, and it's an indicational candle, and then this current candle now is pushing up. So what we're going to be doing is identify this area as now a support level, a 1 hour, 1 day, a daily support level, because yesterday's candle and today's candle sitting on that. Previous day candle broke above, and now we're going. So we need to identify another area on top where the market could be dilly-dallying over there, and that is exactly where we are right now, exactly where the market is right now. So on a daily perspective, we are standing in between daily resistance, daily support. Let's go down to 4 hours and see. Same thing on the 4 hours. Same thing on the 4 hours. Over here, we had the 4 hours. This was the 4 hours. Let me just draw it and then I'll remove. This was the 4 hours resistance, got broken by this candle. And this is the candle that we traded in the morning in the market brief. We did this candle. This is what we were looking at. We were looking for a break above this point and continuation to the upside, and we got it very well. And this was our take profit, and we hit it. All right. So I'm going to remove that. Then jump to 1 hour over here. Well, we are on 1 hour over here. We have the highs over there, lows. So what you usually look is if the market starts coming down, what is the most immediate area where the market would face some rejection, which is now that becomes this specific area over here. All right. This is where we expect, if this candle start coming down, we expect some rejection over here. So that comes in as the 1 hour resistance. All right. 1 hour support, sorry. Resistance is up there. We are down to 30 minutes. 30 minutes. We're down to 30 minutes. So remember, we have 8 minutes before the news is out. Euro USD, guys, I'm not so sure if we're going to be sitting on it now. We are here. No, this is 30 minutes. 30 minutes low, 30 minutes high, still at the same point. 15 minutes, which is our last over here. So we could readjust it to that point over here. This is where we expect the markets to come and hit. But on the other hand, you can see that the market over here, there's an area over here that was area of resistance over here, and got broken and went up. Now we have a very nice candle breaking down and sitting over there. So if it was not for news, actually, this would have been a very nice area for a sell, to just taking a sell from here, stop loss above this point and push down to this area. But again, remember, we have NFP coming in, which is another mega news, so we can't really be joking right now to get into quick trades right now. All right, so we're gonna be looking for the most high probability trade that is gonna come in out of this session. All right, so there we are right now, seated at that point. This is what we're looking at: potential moves on the upside, potential moves on the downside over here. I'm gonna need to go back to 1 hour just a bit to slim this thing a bit, and probably just pull it out to this point and go back to the 15-30 minutes that we was. Yes, bring it down like that. So that's where we are. In between these points, nothing much. We're looking at breaking over there, but we could be having some very nice over here. This is on 30 minutes, yeah. All right, so the market is pushing down, which is a good thing. Here is where I could probably look at high probability of sells below that point and buys above this point. All right, so those who are asking if you're gonna be trading, it's up to you now. You know, we have potential buys above. Oh, it's quite far. Potential buys above. Oh, how am I writing with capital letters? Potential buys above the 43.27 area. I'll be looking for potential buys above that point, and that is here. I'm gonna clone this one. All right, then write something else over here. You're gonna look for potential sells, below here. Most of you have taught you already, and I've shown you how to set buy stop and sell stop. So it's up to you. Below the 43 of 3 area over there, 303. Yeah, we got 4 minutes. Actually, less than 4 minutes to the news coming out. So Team Euro USD, we're gonna do the analysis once the news is out, because we're gonna need to look at that. So this is, if we get the kind of breaking below, that's a possible move that we could expect. And if we get the kind of breaking above, another very nice possible move that we could have will be pushing above this area. Now, here's the thing with this. I'm gonna go back to a bit higher time frames over there and watch something out. Yeah, so this is where we are over there, but we expecting, wow, this is a free move over here, man. I would try to consider this as well, but this is a free. Wait, yes, hold on, seeing something on the left over here. This is where we are, right? Yes, okay, good, makes sense. This is where we is. All right, it makes sense. Yes, it makes sense to buy above these areas over here and push up to this point. Wow. So should we break above this point, we want to see the market push all the way up to this, to 43.50 areas. Of course, 53.50 and 43.80s over there. Those are areas that we could anticipate the market to get to with the NFP, of course, depending with how the news comes. Remember what I've said. If the news The chart numbers are a bit small on the screen. Oh, yeah, I know. Hold on. No, there's no other better setup. Not unless we do this. Is that okay? I've just disappeared. Huh. I don't know if that's okay. Yeah, but yeah. There's that. There's either I'm just looking at different layouts. Oh yeah, we can do this. But no, but this one, no. Boom, 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 boom. All right. How about that? How about that? So we have news coming in. So remember what you said. If the news is positive, positive news will be positive in the dollar, and the dollar is going to be buying, and gold is going to be selling. Negative news will be negative on the dollar, pushing the dollars to the sells, and gold is going to be buying. So that's what we are waiting for. Much better. Thank you. You're welcome. Great. So that's what basically we're going to be watching today. All right. Remember, we have the gift coming in. Yeah. Don't forget, it's coming in 1 minute. Actually, the news is coming in right now. It's in. See, the market just stood, froze, pushed down, froze. Okay. All right. The next candle is here. Ooh, the buys. The buys are in like nobody's big. Ooh. Okay. All right. Whoa. Yo. The buys. Anyone that had these buy stops over here, 43.27, you're in and in profit ASAP and in take profit at the same time. Oh, yeah. I had given a hunch in the morning. I told you that I know for a fact this time it's gonna be gold is gonna be buying for NFP. You know, that's why you need to attend those morning briefs. You know, the morning briefs usually break down the market for a whole almost an whole hour. So yeah, the buys have it. The buys have it, and we're going up. We're going up. Ooh, my God. We're already at 43.51. Remember, that's what we're saying. We're saying that it's going to be pushing from 43.23, 27 to 43.50s and 43.80s. Do you know why it came out like that? Just the fact that this was in. The sales over here were just in. That's why I told you previously. I said there's no need to take this one because we're coming in news. Because I know for a fact news usually do this. Usually come in just to snip you and then go back. They usually just pull down just to get the stop loss, just to hit you on the stop loss. If there is a break above resistance, do we need to wait to retest, or is it as a support and then buy? Now here's the thing, this is already how did you not even have the buy stop in order? I had it. I said it. I said those that knows about buy stop and sell stop, you know what to do. Anyway, now this one is already gone, man. It's already gone. Trying to enter a trade over here, that would be risky. See the way it's playing over here? It's already gone. But okay, let's see on the news first of all. The news over here, what is the outcome? What is the outcome over here? See, bad number. Ooh, that is actually extreme bad. It's not even bad. It's going to continue buying. Gold is going to continue buying up and up and up and up and up. This is really bad. Really, really bad. We were expecting 85k, got negative 23k. Yani, in short, what this number means is the change in number of people employed during the previous month, the number went to negative. Yani, nobody got employed. Actually, people lost jobs. So 23,000 people lost job and nobody got employed. That is how it means. That is what it means basically. So that tells you that the economy is really doing bad. And if the economy is doing that bad, then it means people are jumping out of course, investors are moving the money from the economy. Anything that is economy based, which is the currencies, and going to anything that is not economy based, which is like gold. And that's why gold will keep on pushing up. I don't want to do that, but I know gold is going to touch 43.80 and possibly Joyce Wairimo, you're in 4.1%. Very nice. Very nice. Congratulations on that. Yes, 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 yes. By the way, when you come to this session, just be ready to do your own thing, because again, well, I don't give signals, so let me just shut up. Yeah, just watch and do your thing. I mean, just check what I'm doing and get in the market. All right, so we have a very bad number over here. This is a really bad number, really bad. The average hourly earnings went down. This is the change in prices, in price businesses pay for labor, excluding the farming industry. The change in price. So the hourly earnings just went down to 0.1%, which was 0.3% last month, which was a bit better. But with June, last month went down to 0.1%. So it means if someone was being paid $10 per hour, now they're getting almost 0.1% of that. It's bad. It's really bad. That's why most of people lost jobs over here, right? Unemployment rate, again, look, unemployment rate is a negative news. This is a percentage of total workforce that is unemployed and actively seeking employment during the previous month. So you can see the number went up on unemployment rate. Unemployment rate went up 4.1%. This is bad. This is a really bad number for unemployment to go up. All right, and if you continue going up like that, that's how we enter recessions, right? But so let's check on something. Tell you, it's gonna go all the way to this point. Now the problem is jumping into the market right. Here's the problem. I know most of you are asking me, can I get it? Here's the problem. I don't even know how to answer you that, because if I look at it from a risk perspective, I'll tell you to stay away. Right? You know why? Because entering a trade at this point, this is a high. If you enter the buy of this point, where do you put your stop loss? Just answer me that. Where can you put your stop loss? Where? You see, from a risk perspective. But if you're looking at it from a greed perspective, you'll be like, okay, kaende tuingie ndani tusukume. Then the market, it's not guaranteed that it's gonna push. I'm telling you it's gonna go, but I'm not even in it myself. I already got out. Mine was just as simple as here. Buy stop from here, take profit here, and that's done. It just entered and finished. The first move already got me out of the market with profits, and I don't want to get into it anymore. So if you enter here, the problem is usually this one. If you enter over here, you will have either put your stop loss just below this point, which doesn't make sense, because chances are the market is gonna, like now it's coming down, it's gonna come down and touch your stop loss, and then if it's going up, then it's gonna go up eventually. So you'll have just given out a few coins to the market. The most credible, see, like right now, if you had your stop loss down there, could have already been touched. The most credible place that I can put stop loss is supposed to be down here, where this structure is forming. See this support structure over here? This is a support structure over here. This is the best point that you should put a stop loss. But now, if you take a buy from here, stop loss down here, that's a very huge risk that you're taking for your account. Probably this move can blow a whole account. So you see, that's the problem of entering the market at that point. Let's go a bit down to even 15 minutes candle is still active. All right, 5 minutes candle, you see. Now the 5 minutes candle has closed above at least the level that we are our first take profit over here. But I don't really trust the 5 minutes because it's anything can happen. It's 5 minutes is basically for the scalpers. Like a scalper guy could have been in already for this sell already to that point, this point, and is out. So, oh, you got the buys, Nancy. All right, you're welcome. No, I like putting stuff like this because they give me at least some motivation. Thank you, Nick. Got the buys. You're welcome. All right. Who actually? Let's see how many people took this trade and how many people actually. No, let's start with how many people took the trade. I know my very good friend Jake is somewhere inside there hiding, and I'm not gonna, I'm not gonna call you out this today. Don't worry. Jake is already texting me. It's fun. All right. So how many of you, if you took a trade, just comment on the chat if you took a trade, at least if you took the trade. If you're able to catch the buys, of course the market went up immediately. If you're able to catch the buys, just say something on the chat. Let's see how many people took the buys. Pius, where do you do your market analysis via YouTube or? Oh, no, I was just doing my. Oh, you're asking whether this is trading view. This is trading view. Whatever you see over here on the chat, this is called trading view. If you want, you can open a chat. You can open actually an account for you. So just go to your Google Chrome and just type trading view, open an account, sign in, and set it up. Of course, it's not going to be like this. This is customized to my liking. And of course, there's also a paid version. If you want, you can pay and get more tools available. So, but this is trading view. If that's what you're asking, Julius. I took the morning buys. Yes, Emmanuel. Yeah, I remember you were with you in the morning. Yes, the morning buys were really good, actually. The morning buys were really good. Today, I think today, up even more than my target for the day because in the morning we got some very good buys, traded them together, and I stayed online until we finished. We hit take profit, got out. Then this time the take profit just went in like the market from here. Let me show you. We just moved how many pips from here, and I'm only counting from here to here, in less than in 320 pips, just less than a second. I have a running buy. Okay, you're good, Chris. Yeah, the buys looks like they're gonna give. If you're already in if you see, if you entered the buys long ago, like Easy Places and Auku, yes, you can still hold it. Just bring your stop loss to this area. Just trail it, move your stop loss to this area, and wait for it to go all the way up, to continue to go up. At that point, you'll be risking nothing. Actually, you'll be risking nothing. You'll be just secure. You'll have secured the profit, but they're still floating. So there's chances of that money increasing, but there's no chances of you going out on a negative. Where is the next take profit? Over here, this line over here, 43.82. 43, put it 43.80. Psychological number, 43.80. Give it 43.80. Julius, did I answer your question? Which platform in the morning? Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, you're asking for morning. Yes. On YouTube, yes, gonna be live on YouTube. Yes, live on YouTube in the morning. So all you need to do is just subscribe and set the notification bell over there so that you can be getting at least you'll be receiving the notification once I'm going live, because I go live a lot every day. Had two buy stop, one. Okay, had two buy stops taken out, but one running. Very nice. See, wewe mtu alikuwa amejipanga vizuri. Houston, Houston, it's you. Yeah. You know, alikuwa amejipanga. You took one taken profit, the next one still running. Amazing. Look at this. I told you this thing is gonna go. but I'm not here to guarantee you that it's gonna go, because this is gold. It can also just pull down. So it's up. I mean, yeah, I don't even know what to say. Yeah, that's 5 minutes. Sorry. All right, 15 minutes still pushing up. The view looks good on 5 minutes actually, because it's forming at least some structure. So even if it's taking a buy from this point, you could put your stop loss here and tell yourself, come and buy and buy, come and buy and buy. Kaende kae. Actually, you could do that. Let me show you. Let me show you my. Oh, my trade went all the way. Oh man, my trade went. Why did I even put? Why did Right now, I'm asking myself, why did I put take profit? Should have left the take profit open, because right now I would be still in profit. I would still be in profit. Why did I even? Well, anyway, it is what it is. It is what it is. You're welcome, Julius. All right, Charity, you did take up the buys. Good. I'm hoping that nobody actually got. No, today's NFP was really, really nice. Today's NFP was really nice. Like there was no push down like the way normally what NFP usually does. The moment the news comes out, usually push down and then up if it's going up, or pushes up and then down, or pushes up, down, and up, down. But today, look at this. Started from exactly the candle, the 330 candle. Boom, just started and then went up. There was no funny movements to get you arrested over there. If this okay, it's a question. If there's a break above resistance, do we need to wait for retest? Oh, this is a question that I read. Yeah, now that this one there's a break above the resistance. Yes, there was a retest over here. Then this could be your. I mean, I've just said like a few minutes ago, if you are taking buys, you could take them from there and put your stop loss down here and try to scale up there. I think they are guys. They are. If you used to come to the channel, you're already used to how I speak. How I speak when yeah, be just yeah. You used to come to the channel, you know how I say. That's gonna be to 40. What? It's gonna be all the way to 40, 43.80 something. All right, so let's see. Should we? Okay, someone is asking. Should we break above the 43.80? Where next are we looking at? We're looking at. Give me the left. Give me the left. Ooh. The next move you're looking at is gonna be crazy to 44.70. I would go with 4400 first. Psychological number again. I would go with the 4400 first. To be honest, yeah. To be honest, I would go with 4400 first. I would go with that first. And it's going actually. It's really going. Really going. I'm not so sure if you guys are in the market or not right now. Whoever is holding, just hold it. Let's stop the 43.80 and. But also, like I've said, risk manage your accounts very well. Yeah. Anything can happen. It can have a whole push down, kind of push down like this. This is gold, so you need to be very careful. Yeah. So if you're already holding the buys, continue trailing. Bring your stop loss here, somewhere here. Bring your stop loss somewhere here. Just hold it. Let it continue pushing up. It's still printing higher highs and higher lows. So that's a good thing, to be honest, in the market. It's a good thing to see right now in the market. It's a very good thing to see. I'm looking at. No, I see. I'm getting tempted to take in another buy, and I don't want to. But there's no. I'm not gonna take it. I'm done for the day. It's done for the day, and it's been a good day. And we gonna be looking at that. It's good. It's been a good day for me. Don't wanna jinx it. So 43.80. Mm. I've taken a buy from that point on my demo though. My demo. Just want to see how it plays out. I'm not taking any live order anymore. I'm done for the day. So that's so just want to see. There's something that we call people don't know how to utilize a demo account. Normally, what you do with a demo account is such scenarios like these ones. You can put them on a demo account so that you can be able to just. Oh, what's happening? Oh, okay, we're good. Oh, I thought I froze for a moment over there. The market is still moving. So we good. Is you use your demo account to maybe utilize some of the thoughts that you've always been having about the market and maximize on that. Looking at this and some task over here. MetaTrader. I'm done with the teams right now. I need the word right now. I need the outlook right now. Nope. I'm actually closing most of the programs that are running. I'm closing some of the programs that are running just to go slow on the just so that you can go a bit slow on the system, the laptop system. See, like it's dragging a bit. All right, so the news is out, and that's the results that we got over there. Very nice buy going all the way up, and anticipating it for it to continue pushing up. So yes, it's been a nice one. All right. Any other questions? I took the morning buys, the platform, I've been running, XAUSD, what is the next take profit? I said already, I mean, how can I join the morning analysis? Done, I told you. It's gonna be on the YouTube channel over there. Had to buy, to check it out, did it in 346 pips locked in. Ben, man, I was looking for you, Ben. I've been looking. I think I need your number. Do I have your number? I was looking for you, man. I wanted to hit you up on yeah, we'll talk. Yeah, hit me up if you have my number. Just text me. Yeah. Actually, my number is on the channel over there. My number is on the channel. I was looking for you earlier this morning. I was like, yo, where are you? Ha, nice work, mwalimu. See you, Rose. Acha nikuanike. All right. I really need to know how to trade. All right, you're in the right place. You're in the right place. We can definitely help you with that, knowing how to trade. So here's the thing: go to Anzo Capital YouTube channel where you're watching from. All right. There's a whole webinar that we did, and it's already there. It's already there. It's free actually. There's introduction to forex trading. Go through that. Go through that today. You know, actually over the weekend. Go through that. Then next week, join. We're gonna be having another webinar coming out next week on Tuesday. Is it Tuesday? 13th. When is the 13th? Is it on Tuesday or uh the 13th? Thursday. 13th is on Thursday. So next week on Thursday, we're gonna be doing a live webinar, and we're gonna be talking about the trading platform, how to set up your trading platform. So we're gonna go through the MT4 version, MT5 version, both the laptop and the phone version, and then we're gonna talk about the Anzo trading app as well. Okay, so you can't afford to miss that. That's gonna be one of the foundational topics that you need to have, because most of the people, sometimes you learn how to trade and you learn all the strategies and all that stuff, but then you don't know how to utilize the tool, the trading tool. You don't know where to put in stop loss, you don't know how to trail stop, you don't know how to risk manage with that tool. And the tool has everything. That tool, the trading tool, especially the MetaTrader 5 and the Anzo app, we also have Anzo AI in it, and that can really help you to risk manage the AI version of that we have for our company, Anzo Capital. So you don't want to miss that. Let me put the link over here. You guys need to start registering right now. All right, I'm gonna share the link. Boom, boom, boom. It is setting up. Yes, let me share the link over here. That's for the next webinar. It's having next Thursday, next week. We're gonna be talking about the trading platform. I will have it live over here on the screen. We're gonna break it down from the moment it's new to how you customize it to fit your preferences, and how you open an order. It's a where you set your stop loss, how you set your take profit, how you trail stop, we're gonna be doing all of that. We're gonna do all of that. Let me send you the link right now. It's called, the name of the webinar is gonna be setting up your trading platform like a pro. Setting up your trading platform like a pro. I feel like a rapper right now, man. Copy over there. I'm gonna send it to the guys. All right, I'm coming back. I see. I'm still gonna answer the questions that are there. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten any of you. No. Oh no, that's not the link. Huh. Promotion NFP live. I'm gonna need. Oh man, let me ask for it. Send me the next webinars link. I hope they're gonna see it. But I've seen Rose over Rose. Fikisha ujumbe huko. Yeah, because I need to set you up with the next link. You need to be ready for that, because it's gonna be a nice one. The way we structured it, it's gonna be a really nice one. You don't want to miss that. Let me go straight to Notion and see if I can get it. August NFP, and NFP is right here. So we're gonna jump. The NFP is happening right now. So of course, after that move, we expect an exhaustion. Remember what I've told you, that this market could come back. Anything is possible. We're getting an exhaustion phase right now. The market is at least. And you know, I'm looking at that. That's me. If you look at 30 minutes, it's still the same candle that is acting like this. Oh my God! Nobody's in there to check. Nobody's in there to check what I'm asking for. Let me ask for it. Let me ask for it for you guys. Hoping that. Events. There we go. Copy link. Check Teams. Teams. I know, right? All right. Yes, the link is coming. The link is coming. Is it this? Let me see if it's this. Yeah. So after that, after this setting up your trading platform that we're gonna be talking about, we're also gonna be talking about. Oh, sorry. I've flagged you. Yes, we're also gonna be talking more about why many traders lose trades. That's going to be a whole topic. We're going to be doing it in collaboration with our guys from UK. So we're going to be more of a conversation on people sharing their experience. It's going to be online though at the same time, but we're going to be a couple of people just discussing the experiences in the market and talking about the main topic is going to be why most traders make mistakes in their trading. Why most traders, basically you're going to be talking about the psychology of trading and the discipline bit. So you're going to want to be in there and learn 1, 2, 3 things over there. Yeah, I'm hoping that the link is this is the link. So yes, the next one, talk about the platform. The next after this one, that's going to be on the 20, is it? Okay, this one is on the 13th. Yes, the next one is on the 13th. The other one is on 20. Is it 21st? I guess 21st. Yes, the 21st. So when we will be on the 13th webinar, I'm gonna share the link for the 21st. So this one is upcoming webinar. Upcoming webinar. So over here. Upcoming webinar. There we go. Click on that link, register. Get yourself registered. Let me put it over there. That's the upcoming webinar. It's gonna be there. We're gonna be setting up your trading platform. That's on the next week on Thursday. All right. So okay, where did I get? Thank you, Nikki. You're welcome. Thank you too. All right. I have opened an Anzo account. You're welcome, Emmanuel. All right. Let's see if you stick to the end of the webinar and when I'm giving out the codes for the thing is you have to have an account, an account and verified account, and then you get the code. So those are the 3 things that you're gonna make you be given, and then you have to call though. You're gonna have to call the customer service for them to get everything good. Are we still going live on Trill? Sorry, are we still gonna like trade CPI? You know what? We could just do it. When is the CPI? When is the CPI? The CPI should be next week. Should be somewhere. Yes, Wednesday. Actually, yeah, we could do it. We could do it. Yeah, we're gonna do it. We're gonna do it actually. Yeah, but I don't have a link for that though. Mm, we just decided to do it right now. So we could do it. I'll be just live, just organically, and you guys can join. Looking at 15 minutes, playing safe at this point. Yes, please play safe. Are we going live next week? CPI? Yes, yeah, we could. Yes, yes. Oh, you asked a couple of questions. Yep, that's the upcoming webinar over there. Make sure you register for that. Elvis, I've just answered that question. I've asked the question a couple of times. Joanne, yo, Nick. Yes. What's up? Good. Yeah, I can see you guys have started to register for that one, so that's really good. We're gonna do that one on Thursday next week. 7. It's gonna be in the evening, so it's a good time for you guys. 7:30 p.m. 7:30. That time, just make sure you finish your works early and get home, and let's do it. Or even when if you'll be traveling, maybe, yeah, just still watch it on the phone online. Yeah. All right. So it's an hour down. Do you trade support resistance only? I trade price action, and price action I base it on market structure. Basically, um, I just try to simplify it as much as possible, just to use the support and resistance levels. Just looking for breakout trades. Yeah, but before, I mean, this is the 10th year of me doing the trades, so I've just come to settle down to something that is simple and it's working for me. But before, I did a lot of strategies. To be honest, I've done, I think, all the strategies that can be there. I've done them. I've done the indicators, EMAs, RSI, whatever, Chimoku, Bollinger Bands. I've done all of those. And I've also done SMC. Of course, price action is bit of part of SMC as well. ICT, tried it, didn't work for me. I left it. BTMM, the bit market maker. Yeah, there's a lot of strategies I've tried in those years, but the last like 4 years, I settled with this one, and it works perfectly for me. I do get. What is your preferred? You don't have to write in capital letters, man. Capital letters sounds like you're shouting. Which is your preferred time frame from top-down analysis? If I'm doing a top-down analysis, then it means I'm doing a multi-time frame analysis for me. All right. So top-down analysis for me works from all the time frames. It just ends up to determine what type of a trader I am, which I'm a day trader. So if I'm a day trader, I'm going to be concentrating a lot on what is the 4 hour saying, what is the 1 hour saying, and between 30 minutes and 15 minutes, where can I get an entry? That's it. All right. Yeah. All right. So yes, just share this one over there. Promotional. The promotion. Okay. The link for the next webinar. Now, we're already an hour in, and I guess we had said this is gonna be an hour. So see a lot of you still in here, which is really good. Look, glad to see all of you here still. Thank you very much, everybody. If you have any question, please just drop it in the next 5 minutes. We're going to be ending this session in the next 5 minutes. Any question that you have, just put it over there. I'm going to be answering them right now in the next 5 minutes. And then I'm going to give you the code, and then we're going to be done for the session. All right. Those who made money, congratulations. Those who didn't make money, hope you learned something. Next time, let's get ready. Let's do it, because we're always going to be doing NFP live trading every first Friday of the month. We are always here. All right. So even the 2nd of September, we're going to be doing the same thing. So I'm hoping by that time, you're going to be having some very good strategy in your head at that time, and you're going to be well settled, well planned, and get your account ready, funded, and let's do it. All right. Good. So what we're gonna do right now, because I see no questions coming in, I think I pretty much answered every question that I was thrown over here, which is really good. All right, some of you are texting me on WhatsApp. Question, really? All right, I meant like write the questions on the yeah. Dun, 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 dun. Bas, good. All right. So now here's the last. Here's the moment of truth. I'm gonna give you the code. I'm gonna put it over there, and I'm putting it on the screen for like 2 minutes. So memorize the code or write it down. Call. If you have the wrong code, you're not gonna get anything. If you have the right code, you're gonna get some. All right. But I'm also gonna be checking if you are there from the beginning. So I have the data. All right. Drum roll. So drum roll. Let's go. Oh wait. Maybe I don't even remember the code myself. All right. Oh, I got it. So drum roll. Good. All right. There we go. So that's gonna be the code, right? That's gonna be the code. And it's out. So the code is 254 NFP 20. If you don't get that, as long as I'm gonna be checking. Of course, we're gonna check. I have you can see all of your accounts over here. We'll check who stayed from the beginning to the end. Number 2, do you have a verified account? Number 3, do you have the code? And locked in. You're gonna be getting a $20 when you call the customer service number, and you receive the call. Right. What is the customer service number? I don't even know myself. Customer service number. I'll send it over there as well. I know I play a lot, right? So that's the code. Showing it there in 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Done, folded, and hidden, and it's gone. All right. You received a call. I'll keep mine till the 13th. Okay. No, the code, you gotta keep it till the 13th. It's up to you. But yes, call from tomorrow, call it, get your $20 put in. 13th, we're gonna be having probably something else for the webinar as well. So every day we're gonna be having something. Every day, every time. The first one was 20 USD distributed. Yes, it was distributed to those people that followed up on it. Yes. What if we send a mail to customer service? Yeah, I think a mail is okay as well. Yeah, send an email as well. Thank you. Thanks for your great insight, Nick. You're welcome. Always. It's been a pleasure to have you guys over here. I mean, it's really good. There's a lot of you over there. Who's calling us or your end? No, you guys are calling. Houston, you're calling. Send that email or call, whatever. Reach out, because again, you need to show that yes, it is you. Reach out and get your $20 credit. I received a call from Kenya about Anzo Capital. Yes, we are in Kenya. I'm in Kenya right now, man. And we have an office at Westlands, Pashutam Place. Westlands Road over there, just next to Stanbic. Oh, actually, not next. The Stanbic Bank building. It's called Pashutam Place. We are there. If you want to visit the office, come in. 7th floor. Gonna be there. How do I get the 20 USD? I've just explained that for the last like 10 minutes. I was explaining that you will get the 20 USD for, but Julius, I've seen you from the beginning, so I know you qualify already in terms of being available from the beginning. I've seen you. Do you have a trading account? If you have a trading account, that's another qualification, that's another tick. And we're gonna check what else? What was it? There were two things. Stay to the end. Verification of the account. And what was it, that thing? Or give a call. Give a call. Call to customer service and you're going to be credited. Oh, the code. Yes. Call and present the code. Questions. All right. Put in questions. Open for question for the next 5 minutes. Does it have a deadline? Before the next webinar, which is next week. So over the weekend, I know we're going to the weekend, so you have like Monday and Tuesday to call because the next webinar is on Thursday. What's the code? I gave the code over here. All right, the code last time 254 NFP 20. 254 NFP 20. Okay, that's the code. Do you get it, Julius? The customer care number. Oh man. Honestly, I have no idea what's the customer. Now why are you hanging? Good, you got it. Okay. Let me try to see if I can get the customer care number. Honestly, I don't even. I can't even believe myself. I can't remember it, to be honest. I'm so much into the chat, I don't even remember. Let me ask for it. Check Teams. Teams. Right? Okay. What's happening to my Teams? Is it hanging or something, or what? All right, I'm gonna send you the customer care number and then we clock out. All right, really quick. Siku zote tunaimba. Gold is coming back down. It's going back down. And I know every other thing actually. I'm trying to see, look at USD card down. USD JPY, I'm sure it went down like nobody's business. Look, look at all of this. USD JPY went down. GBP USD went up, of course. Euro USD, I'm sure it went up as well. Euro USD over here went up. This is the morning analysis, guys, again. Oh, no. I didn't even remember about Euro USD. And you know what? We did this analysis in the morning. We talked about the buys above this point over here. It's labeled, actually, with the morning brief. We were buying after this candle close. This was supposed to be your entry. Stop loss just below this point, and boom, to this point. And look at this. All you needed to do is just to attend the morning brief. It's free of charge. It's in the morning. I didn't even know that's gonna happen, man. I don't know, why am I not receiving texts? Why am I not receiving the text? I have the number. I don't have the number myself. How do you have the number and I don't have it? My number, my personal number, my number is on the it's on the channel over there. It's just on Rich Nick 92, my personal channel. My number is there. It's just there on the banner, like literally over there. Subscribe to it as well. While you're going for the number, subscribe to the channel as well. Also subscribe to this channel as well. Let's get it. It's really nice being with you. It's thank you. I'm not receiving the number. I don't know what's happening. Send me here. Monica, send me here. Why is my Teams not working? I'm not receiving them. Imagine the number that is keeping us. USD went really good, really well, really well, really well, really well. Oh man. It's uh, all right. Wait, whoever has the customer service number, just type it over there, man. I can't find it. You're calling it, but it's not only traded only. Do you wanna get me the customer service number? Right, guys. Thank you. I mean, that's the Telegram channel. Sorry, I was on mute. I didn't even know I'm on mute. That's the Telegram channel. Follow the Telegram channel. Subscribe on the YouTube channel as well. Go to our socials, follow them, all of them, and let's get it. All right, guys. So thank you, guys. All right. Nitumie this customer service number. Customer service number. All right, here's this customer service number 020. This is what I was looking for. 3895164. 0203895 95164. Yes, the CX number. Okay, that's done. Show it over there. All right, good. All right, guys, lovely session. See you. Still, gold is still going. USD is still going up. Still finding higher highs probably to these areas. Gold on the other side did a good retracement, and now it's areas to looking for potential buys, probably on 15 minutes. Yes, yeah. So you're gonna want to see, but it's good to let it tap over here and then continue to the upside. But that being said, it's been a nice session. Thank you very much, everybody. You have the code, you have everything. Let's meet you on to the next one on Thursday next week. We're going to be talking about how to set up your trading platform like a pro. All right. Thank you very much, everyone. Like I always say, my slogan is trade what you see, not what you think. And it's been a pleasure having all of you over here. All right. Bye-bye, everybody, and enjoy the outro that is over there. Official partner of the Phoenix Suns. All right. So what
on the court or in the markets, performance is everything. That's why Anzo Capital is helping to power your trading game. Now official partner of the Phoenix Suns.